Okay, so let me explain what most people never think about when it comes to automation. So when automation runs or when app talks to each other, how do you think information travel between them? Think about it. You fill a form on the website, your name, your email, your phone number, and suddenly it shows up on someone else's CRM or spreadsheet. How do you think that actually happened? That's where data structures comes in. And here is the simplest way I can explain it. Humans communicate through words. Apps communicate through data structures. Just like you need words to understand what someone is saying to you, apps need data structures to understand information that is being passed to them. Think of it like a restaurant order. When you tell a waiter what you want, the waiter doesn't just go into the kitchen and say, a customer wants something. They write it down in specific formats. The table number, the item, the quantity, or any special request. The kitchen understands that format, and everyone else knows what to do. But if the waiter writes it differently or misses something out, it's either the wrong food comes out or nothing comes out at all. Data structures work exactly the same way. When information travels between apps in an automation, it has to arrive in the right format, with the right labels, and in the right order. Otherwise, the app receiving it doesn't know what to do with it. And when that happens, the automation breaks. This is actually one of the most common reasons automations fail. Not because the logic was wrong or the trigger didn't fire. It's mostly because the data didn't arrive in the right format. So why does this matter for you as a business owner or someone learning automations? For business owners, this is why you need someone who understands how not just to connect apps, but also to make sure that the information flowing between them is structured correctly. A workflow that looks right on the surface can still fail if the data isn't organized properly underneath. And for automation builders, understanding data structures is what separates someone who can build basic automations from someone who can build automations that work reliably. It is a foundational skill, and the earlier you understand this, the better your builds will be. Data structures aren't complicated. They are just the language apps use to talk to each other. And now you have to speak a little bit of that language too.